Today we'll be going over how to install your Fresh Products Oxyfresh dispenser. Step 1. Opening the dispenser. Insert the provided key into the lock located at the bottom of the dispenser and push firmly. Step 2. Wall mounting the dispenser. The dispenser may be positioned at any height. Install the dispenser as far away as possible from air extraction units, open doors, and open windows to ensure that the fragrance remains in the room. For the best results, position the dispenser in the middle of the room, at the end of the room, or under the sink. The Oxyfresh dispenser can be mounted on the wall in 2 ways. Method 1. Double-sided tape. Clean the surface using the provided alcohol swab. Dry the surface with a clean tissue. Peel the release paper from the double-sided tape at the back of the dispenser. Open the dispenser and, with the aid of the bubble level, carefully stick the dispenser to the wall. Hold the dispenser in place for 45 seconds. Method 2. Screws. Use the template provided in the instruction manual to mark and drill 2 holes. Insert wall plugs into the screw holes. Align the dispenser with the holes, then insert and tighten the screws. Screws and plugs are not included. Always check that the dispenser is mounted in an upright position before installing the cartridge to ensure proper functioning. Step 3. Setting up the dispenser. Open the dispenser. Open the battery compartment and insert 2 AA alkaline batteries. Make sure you only use alkaline batteries, as the dispenser will not function properly if the batteries are not alkaline. Dispenser settings. Use the normal Eco Mode switch located on the lower left side to select the normal mode or Eco Mode setting. A dispenser operating in Eco Mode offers battery savings by disabling the green light and buzzer alerts during the cartridge cycle. Cartridges are guaranteed to last for 30, 60, or 90 days, depending on the chosen settings. Set the dispenser at 30, 60, or 90 days using the switch at the lower right side to customize your fragrance experience. Here's a quick guide. Use the 30-day setting for a strong, intense fragrance. For a perfectly balanced medium-intensity experience, stay at the default 60-day setting. And for a lighter, subtle fragrance, select the 90-day setting. Step 4. Installing the cartridge. Tear the protective sleeve off the cartridge and discard. To activate the cartridge, rotate the cap counterclockwise to the on position. Use the 2 ribs at the base of the cartridge as a guide and push the cartridge firmly into the dispenser until it locks into place. A green light will start flashing continuously for the first 2 minutes, indicating proper installation. The green light flashing once indicates the dispenser is in the 30-day or 1-month setting. The green light flashing twice indicates that the dispenser is in 60-day or 2-month setting. And the green light flashing 3 times indicates that the dispenser is in the 90-day or 3-month setting. After the initial 2 minutes, the green light will reappear every 5 minutes in the normal mode. If the dispenser is in Eco Mode, the green light will not appear after the initial 2 minutes. When the cartridge needs replacing, the light will flash orange. When the batteries need replacing, the light will flash red. To check if the dispenser is functioning properly, toggle the normal Eco Mode switch back and forth, which will cause the light to flash green for 2 minutes once more. Step 5. Removing the cartridge. When the cartridge is empty and needs to be replaced, an orange light will start flashing every 10 seconds. To remove the empty cartridge, open the dispenser and press the push button at the base of the dispenser to release and remove the empty cartridge. In the normal mode, if the cartridge is not replaced, the buzzer will be activated after 7 days and will beep every 30 seconds. The buzzer will not be activated if the dispenser is set in Eco Mode. Battery replacement. When the batteries are weak and need to be replaced, the light will flash red. To replace the batteries, simply open the dispenser, remove the cartridge by pressing the release button, open the battery compartment, and then replace the batteries. One set of 2 AA alkaline batteries will last a minimum of 1 year.